Aquarius, what is up? I'm looking at these cards. A lot of cards fell out here, so I had to take them. Because I was trying to figure out. It's quite an interesting vibe you guys got going on, but powerful vibe. I feel like you have been through hell and back. Like you are moving away from an energy that I just feel like you've been through such a transformation. You might be coming out of sadness, powerlessness, and moving into this powerful place, guys, where maybe you were the beggar before, but now you're the one that's giving and you've got people coming to you begging. That's the best way that I can explain this energy. I feel like you had to make moves before that people did not understand. I feel like you have had to make decisions and make moves where people were resisting you left and right. People did not understand what you were doing. They didn't understand your plan. You might have felt very alone in what you were doing. But you were going along with your intuition, whether you knew it or not. You had to do what you had to do for you, even though nobody understood. And it's crazy because, girl, look at this. I just want to show you, or boy, or whoever you are. Like, you see this Queen of Swords? And you see this Death card, right? This transformation. You see how sad he's looking? And the whole time I feel like you've been down through this process, right? You didn't know where the universe or God was taking you through this. You didn't know where your strength was going to come from. You didn't know why these things were happening to you. And you see that there's like guides down there, like building you up, despite the fact that you feel like this sadness. I don't know if you can see this card or not. Like, honey, look at you now. You're this Queen of Swords. The Queen of Swords fits you perfectly because it's for air sign. This Queen of Swords is, it is your card, basically. I mean, and the Queen of Swords is like, nope, I'm back. I'm back. And I'm putting a sword, I'm sticking a sword in the ground, right? You know, and I feel like now, like I said, people didn't understand you in the past. They didn't understand your moves. They didn't understand what you were doing. Some people didn't really hear you when you were speaking. I feel like that's changing now because you're just like, we're done with that. We're done with that part of our lives now. Now I'm moving forward. I'm making the moves. I'm making the decisions. This is what it is, and this is what it's going to be. And now that you've stepped into this energy, you're finding that people are needing your help. Those people that didn't understand your moves and are now seeing what you had to do and the struggle that you went through and why you had to make the decisions that you made now are understanding. And they're now wanting you to help them get to where they got to go. I feel like for some of you, some of you are the way showers for your family. Some of you are breaking generational curses out here, okay? And there's going to be abundance that comes in. All this hard work you've done, the rewards are coming in. If you're not seeing them yet, they're coming. So just be patient and just hold on to, you know, all of the things that you just had to do, all the work that you just put into yourself, you know, because you're showing your family how to move forward. It's like I keep hearing you're the way shower, right? Even though they didn't understand what you were doing in the past, even though they didn't understand your decisions, they didn't understand where you were coming from, but you were like too far ahead of them. They didn't know it, but you just were. And for some of you guys, I'm seeing two different situations. There's a baby that's coming around you for some of you. It could either be you're pregnant or I'm getting three different situations here. It could either be that you're having a baby or your partner is having a baby, but the baby might not be yours. Or maybe one of your children, one of your children is having a baby. But I'm seeing pregnancy around you guys. And this is not for everybody. This is just for those who would already know that it's here. You know, that you would already know about this, I feel. I just see like so much inner strength and so much wisdom that you've gained from what you've just been through. I feel like you guys have a wisdom that's so powerful that you can understand situations that most people can't. That's what I'm feeling like right now. Like, this is like the type of situation where you're in such a space that the most craziest news that could affect you and hurt you, usually it's like you're seeing the high perspective and you're able to forgive and lead this person. It's like there's a detachment. That's how much growth that has happened lately. You've changed your perspective and you're in your heart space, but I feel like the person that you have the most compassion for is yourself. And that's what's beautiful about this. For some of you guys, in your love life, there could be somebody that's in love with you that you once wanted this person. You may have once had a relationship with this person and loved them a lot. And you know deep down at this point, you don't love them like that anymore. Like you don't see a relationship with this person at this point. And I feel like you're going to probably come out and speak to this person. You're probably going to end up having a conversation and letting them know the truth. That, you know, it's just not there anymore and you've grown and you've moved on. But I also feel like you're in this position to help this person and mentor this person. That's how powerful you are this month, guys. What are y'all doing? But I see that you've been through some shit, okay? You've been through it. But it's really made you grow spiritually and emotionally. It's got you looking like, it's got you in your goddess energy. To where you're like a mother. Where you're able to mother other people. Where you, like I said, where you may have been really hurt about things before. It's like you're not in that energy anymore. You're coming up out of that. And now you're in a place of power. You're in a place where you can give and help people now. And be detached from it, you know? Like you're choosing yourself. You're having compassion for yourself. And now it's allowing you to help people and have compassion for them. And these people you would have been really pissed at. Or these are the people that hurt you. That's the craziest part. It's like you're forgiving these people because you're just accepting yourself. And you're accepting like... You're knowing what you want. And what you don't want anymore. And it's pretty clear to you at this point because of the season that you just came out of that, you know, some things are just not going to work for you. But yet you have so much compassion and you're so much in your strength that you're able to help the people that other people looking on the outside of the situation would be like, what is she doing? You know, or what is he doing? But you're just at such a high, you have such a high perspective and you have such a strength about you that you can love people even from a distance and you can still help people, but yet be detached. So I love this for you guys. Like this is great. I feel like this rough time is behind you. Like this, I feel like you hit some kind of rock bottom, you know, and But now the wheel is turning in your favor, and abundance is here, and you are making moves, and you're making decisions, and you're in your power, and now people need you because you have it to give. And I'm not saying give it to everybody. I feel like, but see, I don't even really got to tell you that, because you're not going to give it to everybody. You're going to give, and then when you don't feel like giving, you're not giving. Like, you can't, you know your balance. I feel this balance with you guys, and a need to speak your truth and just tell it like it is. So awesome, Aquarius. You guys rock. If you need a personal reading, the information is down below, and I will talk to you soon.